Hey, welcome. This is 100 Days of Coding Challenge on CodeSignal website. Today is about delete digits from a given integer and find the maximum numbers you can obtain by deleting exactly one digit of the given number. For example, the given numbers are 152 and exactly delete one digit from the given number and find the maximal number. Okay, let's assume n is 152 and first delete 1 and you will get 52, and then next delete 5, you'll get 1 2, and finally delete 2, you'll get 1 5. Then you can obtain the maximum digit number from the given three numbers. So the maximum number is 52. So this is the maximum. How can we solve this problem programmatically? Okay, let's first convert our number into a string, because we cannot slice numbers, so we should convert to in the string. And so str2, okay, then we create an empty list. Let's iterate over I in the range of len d, and we append the slicing result into res. So we slice d up to I and concatenate and slice I plus 1 up to the end. Okay, then finally we return the maximum of the digit, the given digit, by iterating over each and converting each element into integer for I in res. Okay, once you finish this, and finally click on run test button to test our solution is correct or not. Okay, let's check. Yeah, our solution is correct. Finally click on submit button to check our hidden solutions also. Yeah, our solution is correct. So you can write a simple way to find out the maximum number you can obtain by deleting exactly one digit of the given numbers. So this is day 10 challenge, and subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.